Okay, how many campers out there take a generator with them in the back of their truck, and if they have to spend the night somewhere at a Walmart or a rest stop or a Cracker Barrel, need to pull it out and have had to take it off the back of the truck to the back of the trailer. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of trouble pulling this 80-90 pound generator on and off the back of the truck these days. So it'd be nice if I could just leave it on the back of the tailgate and use it from there. That way I wouldn't have to worry about lifting it on and off anymore. But the problem with this, you can see I have a tonneau cover, and if I put that on the tailgate and close the tonneau cover, there's still an open back in my truck, which is an invitation to people to take things out of the back of the truck. And also you can see if it starts raining, it's not protected from the rain at all. I remember one time we stopped at a red stop and it was in the middle of the night. It started raining. Well, we had to wake up, go out in the rain, and disconnect everything and put this generator back in the back of the truck. So I think I've come up with a solution for that that might help me out with that, and I hope maybe it'll give you an idea to help you out with it also. So let's take a look at it. First thing I needed to do was to secure the back of the truck so nobody could just reach in there and grab things. So I took some aluminum channel, put it on each side of the back of the bed of the truck. Just secured it with some screws directly into the bed of the truck. Then I took a piece of plywood to fit in between those channels. Put it down. As you can see now, when the tonneau cover is closed, the back of the truck is blocked off. This is what I came up with here. I mainly built it with stuff I just had laying around the shop, but as you can see, the generator will actually go inside of this. Maybe a little latch here, and it'll go inside there. And of course you can't completely close it off, make a box out of it, a closed-in box, because you got to have air circulation going through the generator. So I couldn't close off the front. I just made this little strip of wood that goes across, and it'll latch and lock in place, and that way nobody can just pull the generator out of there. It just sits on the back of the tailgate, and I had to make these spacers back here so it wouldn't hit the back of the tonneau cover. Plus that will hold it in place securely so it doesn't vibrate anywhere off the back of the tailgate or to the left or right on the tailgate. This generator runs off of propane or gas, so I got a propane tank holder from Walmart online, and put it on the back of this cover for the generator. Same thing on this side. I built one of those spacer blocks, which actually just, they're on a hinge and they just swing up and down. Got roll roofing on the roof to protect it from the rain, and the walls just come halfway down, or maybe not even that, just to help keep the rain out but allow air circulation through the generator. Alright, here we got the generator back in the cover. As you can see, you can still get to all the controls here. This is an electric start, but if the battery's not dead, it doesn't have enough juice in it, you can still get to the pull starter right here to start it up. So what you do, you just close this back up. And you can put a lock on that. Grant. Okay. And we'll just slide this back in place. As you can see, these are on hinges, spacers. On the end of this 2x4, I've got what I think they call a hanger bolt. It's a lag, like a lag bolt on one side and a regular bolt on the other side. Got a couple holes drilled into that plywood. We just slide this into place. And then I've got a fender washer and a wing nut to put on the back side of that. Do the same thing on the other side. And just close the tonneau cover. And it's all set to go. Of course, this my connections are to the back of the trailer, so what I'm going to have to do is I've got a 30 amp extension cord, so I just bring that with me, and with the regular cord that's connected to the trailer and that extension cord, it'll reach up here, and it's nice and secure now. It's not going to go anywhere. If it rains, it's protected from the rain, and you know, you can run your air conditioner with this thing. It's got a 30 amp plug for it, and you can just run it and not worry about it and sleep more easily knowing that nobody's gonna run off with that. Hope that helps you guys out.